you got that.
I think I did.
I don't... Tracy, the person, does not like coffee, and Jack might like coffee. So automatically, whatever goes in that coffee mug is automatically coffee. It doesn't matter if it's actually tea, it's really coffee. That's my logic on this. So technically it works. What is with that face?
I can keep a straight face.
It's Seto Kaiba. What do you think?
That's me keeping a straight face and nodding.
Yes.
Now you see? It's perfect.
I'm a
I
crook.
didn't get to stir it, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you stir.
Tracy,
Where are they?
move your butt.
Thank you.
Calm down with the silverware drawer. I have a plate in my hand.
I hope you won't hurt me with it.
Hope it's so easy. Just like the hardest card.
Okay, the hard part is stupid.
Everyone else agrees. Everyone else is like, no, it's not. I get yelled at for saying that.
We done?
This is usually the part where you take the tea bag out, but
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
apparently Jack is too good for that.
Shut up. Shut up. Good dog. Good
Dog.
Oh, no more. Car games on motorcycles.
Car games on motorcycles.
Jack.
Hey, that's my line. Hey, hey,
You
hey.
didn't start it off, okay, so I had to start it off.
It's also 10 o'clock in the morning. Remember what it was like?
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Look at that bird. It's adorable.
Bird.
Looks like a wood duck.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
No,
Look at me. Look. I'm a bird.
No, that's all pixelated. It's pretty adorable, I must say. I'm gonna scare it. Don't go scare it. Fine, Kaiba, go scare it. And then later when it poops on you, don't come trying to us.
I get to scare it off. You're probably scared it off.
You can cut down the stuff one time.
Is that possible for you?
All that ego.
She might either like press you guys into the walls and possibly outside the house. My presence would only like push you on the patio. Maybe off the patio, but in the gardenia bushes.
Okay, I believe you.
Unbelievable. I don't typically lie.
Okay.
They're playing
Almost done.
Portal.
I'm playing Portal 2.
Portal 2.
That's what I wanted. I really wanted with the fire. After you abused me verbally.
Welcome to my world.
Seriously.
That's gonna last all 5 seconds.
How about you really know orange? Do you trust orange? What if I told you Orange, Orange's first cooperative partner?
I'm not your first partner? You lied to me? You said this was your first time!
Well, he's saying. There's this guy. His name's Yusei.
Oh, shut up. Liar. I'm gonna shoot you both.
No, you're not going to.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not. You think you are.
Do you understand how much my heart is breaking right now?
You'll survive.
No, it won't!
If you can move on from ISIS to Kisara for some strange reason, you can move on from it.
And Seto screams. What are you doing?
She's blocking my screen.
Why?
Because
I'm not Jack's first partner.
Kai's an asshole.
No, because Jack is on board.
Somebody. What? Seto just died. What just happened? Jack just died too. What did I just miss?
Oh, God. He just said that I was a whore, and then Gladys says, I never noticed that about whores before. And then Gladys goes, well, aren't you the thing you'd like to say?
I'm sure the camera got it, but I just totally missed that.
I'm sure they do. Wardrobe malfunction, yay! Predicting the future, that's what we do at Capricorn. We invented Gladys. You wouldn't just do it really, you lying bitch. Oh! Okay. I can't believe that. You want it on my road? You deserve to touch me! I was about to move it! You don't deserve to touch me. I'm a cheating whore. According to Gladys.
Observe the Incan in its natural habitat.
I thought it's a wrestler. Cartoon, get this beauty! I hate you both.
What's happening? You don't have a nature documentary voice.
No, I don't.
Incan is very aware of his surroundings. It is alert to danger.
Don't die, Jack! Oh, look on your face, it's priceless!
Observe as it meticulously pulls out a tortilla.
And gets the cheese it needs.
What curious behavior. I've never seen an Incan behave this way. Ah, it knows how to use the microwave. It shows experienced adaptation to its surroundings. Yes, this is a very skilled creature indeed. As you can see, it's a very clean animal. Apparently not. It cleans up after itself, keeping the tortillas fresh for the next time it makes a quesadilla.
Aren't you?
Hold still, I believe it spotted us. It shows no fear as a strange beep enters its surroundings. It approaches. Don't throw gloves at me.
I will throw gloves at you.
I'm just an innocent nature documentary.
Yeah, sure.
Apparently it is a shy creature as it eats. I'm trying to get closer. Take cover behind the chrysanthemums. The Incan does not like chrysanthemums. I happen to love chrysanthemums. Why did you move them? Chrysanthemums are my favorite flower. Swallow your food, Incan. It's not polite to chew with your mouth open.
It's not polite to chew with your mouth full, as you wanted to say.
The Incan finds itself paralyzed with laughter. Very obviously a shy creature. It still will not look at the camera while eating.
I'm gonna hurt you.
You said that about 15 times. You haven't done anything. Don't touch me.